Hey everybody, welcome to my short video about how to connect your AirPods Pro to your Apple TV. In this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to connect your AirPods Pro to your Apple TV. This same method will also work for just about all AirPods models, including the original AirPods, AirPods 2, and the new 3rd generation AirPods as well. Now let's get to it. If the AirPods you're looking to connect to your Apple TV are already connected to your iPhone or other Apple device, and you have iCloud Sync turned on, and are using the same Apple ID, then they should already be set up and ready to use. If so, take your AirPods out of the case and put them on. If you're already playing some media, your Apple TV may even auto-connect to your AirPods. However, if they don't auto-connect, then you can connect them manually. On your Apple TV, just go to Control Center by pressing and holding the Control Center button on the Apple TV remote. Then go down to the AirPlay or Audio Output menu and select. Then simply arrow down and select them on the list to switch the audio to your AirPods. If your AirPods aren't yet set up on your Apple TV, then you can set them up manually. On your Apple TV, go to Settings, then go down to Remotes and Devices. Then scroll down and select Bluetooth. Now on your AirPods, open the case and press the pairing button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white to put the AirPods in pairing mode. I'm using AirPods Pro in this example, but the process is the same for both the original AirPods design and the 3rd generation AirPods. Now back on your Apple TV, they should appear in the Other Devices list. Just scroll down and select your AirPods to add them to the My Devices list. Now, they will likely auto-connect. If not, you can go to the AirPlay Audio Output menu on the Apple TV Control Center menu to select them to use with your Apple TV. See how simple that is? As a side note, if you have a friend visiting and want them to be able to use their AirPods with your Apple TV, the Apple TV supports audio sharing. Just press and hold the Control Center button on your Apple TV remote and go to the AirPlay Audio Output menu. Then arrow down, choose Share Audio, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's quite simple. Also remember that if you're using your AirPods Pro with your Apple TV, you can still use the AirPods Pro noise cancellation feature by simply pressing and holding the force sensor button on the AirPods Pro's stem. Repeat to turn the feature off. Using your AirPods or AirPods Pro with your Apple TV is really simple and very convenient, especially late at night if your partner or others are asleep or even studying. Do you enjoy using your AirPods with your Apple TV? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.